Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new lesson, a watering line of Unit 7. So, plants are very important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which human and other animals need to breathe. Living thing needs plant Living thing need plants to live. They eat them also. Now plant brings a house to life. Having a green growing thing to tend is a wonderful relationship for a child. So we should take care of plants. Now today's poem, A Watering Rhyme, is related to this concept. So I am going to recite a watering rhyme. I hope you will enjoy the poem. Now come to the poem. Early in the morning, all the evening hours, all the time to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high does not help the flowers, only make them die. So when you water, water at the roots, flower keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will having water fall their thirsty feet. So this is a beautiful poem. It is written by P.A. Lopes. So the name of the poet is P.A. Lopes. Now come to the new words. So first one is hour. Hour means 16 minutes. Hour is consist of 16 minutes, 60 minutes. Now second word is watering means making something wet. Third one is noonday means the middle of the day. Fourth one is boots means footwear that covers the whole foot and lower leg. Next word is soak means to make something wet by dipping it. Heat means high temperature. Now come to its exercise. So uh, first question is, what is the best time to water the plants? And the answer is, the best time to water the plants is early in the morning or the evening hour. Next question is, what should we not when should we not water the plants? And the answer is, we should not water the plants at noonday. Third question is, what which part of the plant should be watered? Answer is, we should water the roots so that plants grow healthy. So in world building section, there are some name of flowers which are given, and it is in jumbled form. So you have to arrange the letters in such a form that it should become a name of flower. So I am directly tell you the name of flowers. So first one is sweet pea, second one is marigold, third one is jasmine, fourth one is lotus, fifth one is mogra, sixth one is dahlia, seventh one is phlox, eighth one is pansy, and ninth one is hibiscus. Now come to the next exercise. So in fun time, you have visited, there is a question which I am reading. You have visited your school garden and seen different kinds of plants, shrubs and trees. This grid has the names of different parts of a tree. Look these words: bud, pod, leaf, stem, roots, thorns, branches and flowers as fast as you can, vertically, horizontally and diagonally. So I have highlighted these words in light green. You can easily see it in the page. So I have highlighted the bud, flower, pod, thorns, branches, roots and leaf. You can see it in this page and write down in your book. Now next question, do you have a garden? do you have a garden at home? So the answer is yes, I have a garden at my home. Next question, name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. You can tell the name of hibiscus, marigold, rose, etc. Next question is give another one word for thirsty feet, and the answer is root. Now come to next exercise. So in question number 4, what happens when we water plants in the morning? Choose one answer. So there are two options. You have to choose the correct one. And the answer is they will grow well. Next question, fifth question. From where do flowers get water? And the answer is from the bottom, that is roots. So in say aloud, you have to simply pronounce the words in correct form. So the first box, three words are given. I am directly reading it. Early, curly, surely. In second box, hour, hour. Third, flower, floor, sour. Fourth, there, care. Next, could, hood, should. After that, where, seat, sake, bread, spread, high, sigh. Now, in next question, there are some words given. You have to pick the silent letters in each word. So, pick out the silent letter from these words. The first one is hour, H is silent. Second, often, T is silent. In right, W is silent. Knit, K is silent. No, K is silent. Knife, K is silent. Wrong, W is silent. Night, N is silent. High, G is silent. Doubt, B is silent. Could, L is silent. And walk, L is silent. So again, in let's write column, there is a question. Write rhyming words for the words given below. One has been done for you. So morning, rhyming word is evening, and fear, ear. Okay. Now next. Okay. High, fly, boots, root, heat, beat, wear, hair. Now words like morning, evening, wattling, and in ing. Write 6 more words for which to which ing can be added at the end to form a new word. So first one you can write playing, jumping, singing, laughing, going, cooking. Now in next question, look for words in the poem which should like the words given below. Are, you can write hour. There, you can write where. Floor, you can write flower. Where, you can write where. Sun, you can write sun. Through, you can write through. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this poem. That's all. Thanks for watching.